Module Overview. The rapid digitalization of financial management has birthed a diverse ecosystem of budgeting tools, each tailored to specific users, industries, business scales, and functional priorities. In this module, you will explore the classification, core features, technical infrastructure, target users, and use case advantages of various budgeting software types. Through comparative analysis, you will also develop the ability to critically evaluate tools based on organizational needs, scalability, integration capabilities, and cost effectiveness. This module lays the groundwork for choosing the right tool for the right context, enhancing budgeting efficiency, and aligning financial planning systems with organizational strategies.
Section 1. Classification of budgeting tools by user type. Budgeting tools can be broadly categorized based on the end user's scale, scope, and needs. A. Personal budgeting tools. These are mobile-first or web-based platforms designed for individuals and households to monitor expenses, plan savings, track debts, and set financial goals. Examples include Mint Y, NAB, You Need a Budget, Pocket Guard, Every Dollar. Key features: bank and credit card syncing, spending category tracking, real-time alerts, goal-setting dashboards, user-friendly UXB, small business budgeting tools. These tools focus on the needs of startups, freelancers, and small and medium enterprises. Their emphasis is on simplicity, cash flow visibility, tax readiness, and invoicing. Examples include QuickBooks Online, Wave Zoho, Books FreshBooks, key features, expense/income tracking, profit and loss reporting, automated invoicing and tax calculations, payroll integrations, inventory management basic. C. Enterprise budgeting platforms, ERP integrated. For large-scale operations, budgeting tools are integrated into broader enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, to allow for cross-departmental planning, advanced modeling, compliance, and internal controls. Examples include Oracle NetSuite SAP/4, HANA, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Finance key features. Departmental budgets with role-based access, advanced forecasting and modeling, multi-currency and multi-location consolidation. Regulatory compliance features, custom financial workflows and automation. D. Nonprofit and project budgeting tools. These tools are specifically tailored to nonprofits, NGOs, and grant-funded projects where accountability, donor reporting, and fund restriction management are critical. Examples include Aplos Plan Guru Flux Grant Management. Key features: fund accounting and donation tracking, grant budget management, donor and funder-specific reports, audit trail and compliance integration. Nonprofit chart of accounts templates. Section 2. Feature-based classification. Budgeting tools may also be classified based on core functional components and depth of analytics. In this module, we will be using feature class, description, and sample tools in our table. 1. Basic trackers, manual data input, budget to actuals comparison Google Sheets, Good Budget 2. Automated sync tools, Bank Sync, rule-based categorization Mint, YNAB3, AI/ML-based tools, predictive analytics, smart alerts Clio, Tiller, Plio 4, project-based budgeting tools, budget allocation by task/projectmonday.com, ClickUp, Asana, finance add-ons. 5. Financial planning and analysis, FP&A, tools used by finance departments for forecasting, modeling, Workday adaptive planning, Vina, Anaplan. Section 3. Key evaluation criteria for tool selection. Choosing the right budgeting tool depends on multiple evaluation criteria. 1. Functionality fit. Does the tool meet specific business/personal needs? Does it support multi-user environments? Does it handle recurring and one-time transactions effectively? 2. Scalability. Can the tool scale from 5 to 500 employees? Are features customizable as operations grow? 3. Integration. Can the tool sync with bank accounts, CRMS and ERPS, accounting and payroll software, project management tools. 4. User interface and experience. Is the dashboard intuitive? Are mobile and desktop versions consistent in design? 5. Pricing structure, one-time payment or subscription-based, freemium limitations, add-on modules versus all-inclusive pricing. 6. Security and compliance. Is the tool GDPR, SOC2, PCI-DSS compliant? What authentication and access controls exist? Section 4. Comparative case study approach. Let's evaluate 3 tools across multiple features. In this module, we will be using Feature Criteria, QuickBooks, Mint, Plan Guru, 1. Target user SMEs, individuals, nonprofits, consultants, 2. Automation high moderate 3. Mobile access, yes limited, 4. Custom reports extensive basic advanced, 5. Scenario planning limited, no yes, 6. Bank integration, yes limited, 7. Pricing subscription-based, free subscription-based, 8. Compliance support, yes, no, yes. This table helps users visualize trade-offs and align tool features with organizational priorities. Section 5. The role of open source and emerging budgeting tools. Not all budgeting needs require commercial tools. Open source platforms offer alternatives with high customizability. GnuCash, desktop accounting tool with double entry support, Odoo, Community Edition, ERP with finance modules, ERP Next, open source suite including budgeting modules. Also, emerging AI-based tools like Causal, Pigment, and Social Finance are redefining budgeting through natural language processing, NLP interfaces real-time what-if analysis, intelligent recommendations based on financial behavior. Learning outcomes. By the end of this module, you will be able to categorize budgeting tools based on user scale, industry, and functionality. Identify appropriate software tools for individuals, businesses, nonprofits, and enterprise needs. Evaluate budgeting tools using criteria such as integration, UX, scalability, and cost. Understand the advantages and limitations of various tools through comparative case studies. Recognize the growing influence of AI, mobile access, and open source platforms in financial planning.